everyone, it's Donna. Thanks so much for stopping by. I hope this video finds you well. So, I was reading an article recently and it was talking about DIY essentials. And it gave a list of items and I was like, do I have all those items? I'm going to have to check my drawer. So, you're just in time because today I am going to go through my DIY drawer to see if I do have all the essentials. Some of the items that were listed were scissors, craft knife, glue gun, super glue, twine, pliers, a wire cutter, Sharpie, a thin Sharpie, and paint rollers. I know I had paint rollers, but they're just not in my DIY drawers. So, like I said, you're just in time because I'm going to go through my DIY drawers and see just what the heck is in there. Okay? So, thanks again for watching, and we'll take a look. All right, so let's take a look and see what's inside my DIY drawers to see if I have the essential pieces. Okay, so first of all, I want to talk about the filing cabinet that I have. I love this filing cabinet. I got this at the Habitat Restore for 20 bucks. It was in perfect condition. There was absolutely nothing wrong with it. And, you know, that store, you have to really think with an open mind when you go into a Habitat Restore. A lot of stores, sometimes people just tire of items. It doesn't mean that they're damaged goods or anything. They don't have any more room. Maybe they moved to a smaller place, so they've got to get rid of larger pieces. So you can find some real gems if you just go in with an open mind and look. So I found this filing cabinet, and I'll show you here, for 20 bucks, perfect condition. And the only thing that I did to it is I added wheels to it, and I painted it so it kind of matches my wall. And of course added my gemstones because I'm all about the gemstones. Okay, I guess, can you tell? Can you tell? So I'm all about the gemstones, added those, and I added a faux marble contact paper to the top. And it just really complements it immensely. I love it. And it also matches my desk. So this desk I got from, I think I got this desk from Home Depot over 10 years ago. And the framing and everything was black. And the top is glass. And the shelves were glass also. And I took this out, spray painted it. And spray painted it silver, added the faux marble contact paper, and it just gave it a whole new look. And so I added that when I did the desk, the cabinet as well, added the contact paper. Okay, so we are about to go into the cabinet, and I like to say party on the top, business on the bottom. And because I do have some files in here, the bottom is kind of overflow from the top. So yeah, let's go in and see what we've got here. So this top tray actually belongs to this bottom plastic bin, but because I wanted to stand things up, I couldn't put the top back on. So, but it just so fits perfectly on top of this this basket. So that worked out fine. All right, and I'm all about using valuable real estate, and that includes the top, inside, you know, of your filing cabinet or wherever you're storing your goods. So take available of all space. So I love these little tins. A lot of people use them for spices and put them on the refrigerators or magnetic areas in their kitchen. And so mine are holding binder clips, push pins, paper clips, things like that. And I also have some larger ones that are immediately there, and I like these because they're in color. They're really cute. And these are also holding, let me see here if the magnet is super strong on these. So yeah, more push pin, more binder clips and things like that. Okay. So I do see some essential pieces immediately. Yay! So I've got some scissors and I see twine. Yay! What is this? Some cards. Okay, some twine. Awesome! And I did see a glue gun. So anyways, I've got some pins and some markers here. Pair of scissors. Over here, I've got some fatter markers, and let me see. This jar has got some full crystals, some cards, some air duster for my computer. Oh, I've got packs and packs of glue sticks for my glue gun, and then twine. Awesome. So here, I've got these little containers. I think I got these from Michael's. This is where I keep my glues. So I keep them all together. These are all my different little glues that I've got. And I keep that labeled. And then this one is my gemstones. Let's see. Yeah. So I've got all my gemstones in there. So here in the middle, I've got some ink. I've got a staple, a heavy-duty stapler. I've got some letter openers, staples. I think it's important to keep everything that you use or that kind of goes together in the same place so you're not scrambling looking around in different places for them. So I got replacement staples for my desk stapler and then for my heavy duty stapler. These scissors are just like craft cut scissors with a different edge, you know. Keep that handy. And then I've got more binder clips, loads of binder clips. And here I've got different glues. So I've got some the good old Mod Podge, you can say it, Donna. I've got some Elmer's glue, and then in this drawer I've got, you know, different discs and disk drives, and then I've got my cutting board, which is always essential to have. So I don't know if you're like me, but I like to keep cards handy. And so in this little slot here, I have cards, like birthday cards, you know, different occasion cards. If I can't get out to the store to get one immediately, I've got a card that I can send out to, you know, friends or family. So, all right, so in this top tray, we've got popsicle sticks that I'm using for different projects. Right now I'm gardening, so I do write what I'm planting on this and stick that in my garden. So that's what I'm using these for right now. Let's see, so we've got some little floral things to stick on. I've got my glue gun, got my handy dandy X-Acto knife. I've got some elastic for masks that I've been making lately. And then we've got some paints for different projects. We've got some different stickers. And then this is just miscellaneous ribbon. So we're going to remove that. Underneath, we have got ribbon, more gemstones, and these are, you know, labels, stickers, things like that. And here we've got glitter. Gotta have glitter, right? Got glitter. What I did on these little containers is I stuck what shape they are on top, and then I can just go in and grab it. So I actually got these from my doctor's office. They gave me a couple, and these are just sample little containers, but they worked out perfect. And then you just stick what you've got on top, and that way it's easy access. You can see what you're working with. So let's see what we've got so far. So scissors, check. Glue gun, check. Super glue, check. Twine, check. Craft knife, maybe it's a craft knife, and I'm going to consider this, my X-Acto knife, maybe a craft knife. I don't know. And let's see, a thin Sharpie. I don't know about a thin Sharpie, but I do have Sharpies. Oh, here we go. I have those stuck in the side here. And like I said, you're using every available space. Got some room here, so I stuck those right there. Paint roller, like I said, my paint roller is with my paint gear. So, maybe I do have the essentials. Yay, me. Okay, so that's what I've got going on in my top drawer. Let's see what we've got going on in the bottom. So the bottom drawer is not so much fun. It's got more personal things. But I do have some, what do you call these, like floral dry foam for projects. And envelopes. Let's see, anything else fun? Bunch of flashlights. Yeah, there's really nothing down here. Some letters for signs. I've got extra wick for my candle projects. And that's gonna do it. Yeah, that's about it. Not too much fun stuff down here, but it's always good to keep everything together. More envelopes. Oh, these plastic bags, I got these at this store called Daiso, and I really like having these because they're small, but they're good to, you know, for catch-alls. So they're just little plastic bags. And I keep things, you know, that are loose things, I'll put those in there. So, got those. And that's it. So once again, this is my DIY drawer. I try to keep everything that goes together, and it makes it easier to find things too. So again, I've got my markers and my pins all in one drawer, my fat markers in another, and recycling and using other containers is awesome as well. All my glue sticks, my twine, different colors, all my glues are together, all my gemstones are together. I keep, you know, staplers and scissors and things like that handy together, and then replacements for those staplers all together, more binder clips, some more glues, and then all my other little project items. Stickers, ribbon, more gemstones. I always keep a pair of gloves on hand in case I'm doing something that's going to be super messy. More Sharpies. Wow. Wow. So there you go. What do you know? I've got all the essentials. Yay! So I'd love to see what your DIY area looks like. And do you have your essentials? Let me know what those are. Thanks again for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And I'll see you all on the next video. Stay well, and thanks again for watching. Bye, everyone.